Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Stylus 2023 for Cricket Wireless. So this is the 4G version of the Moto G Stylus. Cricket also offers the 5G version of the Moto G Stylus as well. So that's awesome there. So this one only has 4G on it, so keep that in mind. So the 4G Moto G Stylus is now here for $149.99. It's available in a midnight blue color option there. So yeah, so it's $149.99. So it is $100 cheaper than the 5G version of the Moto G Stylus. So the phones are pretty much similar, except for this one only has 4G. There is no 5G on this particular model here, but like I said, Cricket also offers the 5G version for $249.99. So there you go. So this is what the phone looks like here. The phone does look very nice and whatnot. Y'all guys have your whole punch set for your front facing camera there, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Stylus pen, of course. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here. Then on the back is your dual camera setup, camera flash, and your Motorola logo there on the back. It's supposed to be a midnight blue color, but it looks kind of like a grayish color to me on screen. But it might look blue in person, so keep that in mind, alright? Y'all guys also get the Moto G Stylus, the 4G version, for $27 a month with the phone. So y'all guys can pay monthly for it or pay full retail price of $149.99. Which I suggest you guys pay the full retail price anyway. So the Moto G Stylus has a 6.5-inch display, 50 megapixel main camera, 128 gigabytes of storage. Says to capture your vision with the new Moto G Stylus. Thanks to the built-in stylus, you can jot notes, create artwork, and navigate with pinpoint precision. Take your sharpest, brightest photos ever with a 50 megapixel camera and then edit them on the go, or listen to music and movies with Dolby Atmos sound while sketching your latest inspiration. All powered by 5,000 mAh battery. Features 50 megapixel camera system. Capture sharp and bright photos even in the most challenging light. The quad pixel technology. Okay, that sentence made no sense, but you guys get the gist. Dolby Atmos audio. Immerse yourself in multi-dimensional sound, listening with improved bass, clearer vocals, and more clarity. Right, so that's nice. 6.5-inch 90Hz display, so that is very nice. It says enjoy smooth scrolling and fluid viewing on the large HD plus display with a blazing fast refresh rate. So that's very nice. Specs, it has Android 13, of course, so that's very nice. Your dimensions on the Moto G Stylus are 6.41 inches height, 2.91 inches width, and 0.36 inches depth. 6.5-inch HD plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate, which is pretty nice. 128 gigabytes of storage, and I think it has 6 gigabytes of RAM, I think. Your connectivity options for the Moto G Stylus, this one has 4G only. You also get Wi-Fi 8 or 211, ABGN and AC, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, Type-C charging, and Bluetooth 5.0. Cameras, y'all guys get a dual camera setup there, 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth camera, I believe. I wish they would specify what camera lens is which. Seriously, like, it's not that hard to specify what camera lens is which. But anyways, y'all guys will get a camera flash on the rear and an 8 megapixel front facing camera, 2 GHz processor with its octa-core, 5,000 mAh battery, and there's your hand neck compatibilities there. Accessories. They do got some accessories for the phone, like phone cases, screen protectors, and whatnot. So if you guys want accessories for this phone, go to Amazon and type in Moto G Stylus 2023, and it will work for the 4G and 5G version. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys get the Moto G stylus. This is the 4G version. It's not available at Cricket Wireless. I don't know when it got released. I don't know if it got released the same day as the 5G version of the phone, which Cricket got the Moto G stylus 5G on June 2nd. So I don't know if this phone got released. I don't know if this phone got released the same day as the 5G version or soon after. I'm not really sure. I just recently saw it on Cricket's website, so I figured I'd do a video. So yeah, the phone does look very nice. It has all the specs and features that you guys want. The only thing it doesn't have is 5G. That's why the price is a bit cheaper. Only $49.99 for this one. But if you guys need 5G and then you guys like the phone, Cricket also offers the 5G version for $249.99. So that's the only difference between this phone and that phone. This one only has 4G only. There is no 5G on this phone here. So keep that in mind when thinking about getting this phone here. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it really has my a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys next one. Peace out.